Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we celebrate Harry Potter's birthday. That's right, his birthday is July 31st, 1980, which would make Harry 41 years old today. That's really crazy to think of Harry Potter, that we all see as like a kid, as a 41-year-old man. That's 10 years older than Daniel Radcliffe is today. But anyways, we're gonna celebrate a couple of different ways. We're going to be making another party hat. I did one for Ron's birthday as well for the Chudley Cannons, and this time we're making Harry Potter's birthday cake hat. So that's gonna be fun. After we make that, we're gonna do an unboxing for a special package sent to me by the Noble Collection. So thank you so much, Noble Collection, for this. Hopefully we get a lot of really cool stuff like we did in the stuff they sent me for Ron's birthday, but we shall see. Let's get into making this party hat. So it's really simple. I went over this in the Ron video too. We're just gonna cut off all the white space. And when you get to this point where these lines kind of go in a bit on this tab, cut in as far as those lines go as well. The next thing we want to do is where this black line is here, we want to cut along that as well. So don't cut like into the design, just where that black line is. So you're probably going to need to use like an X-Acto knife and a ruler. I'm also going to get this piece of scrap paper below because I don't want to cut my tablecloth here. So now we have this. And you should have this cut as well right there. So now it's pretty simple from here. We roll this into a cone shape and put these tabs through the slit we made here. Actually this way, so over the top and then into the inside of the hat there. And there we have it right there. Happy Birthday, Harry. And if you want to give it a little extra strength, you can put a little double-sided tape right here at the bottom and tape this down. That way it is not going to like come apart. Then I also have this Cricut tool right here. And this one is just like a straight, almost like needle type thing, but it's nice and it's thick enough for this. So that's why I'm using this, but you could use anything that kind of has that shape. We're gonna puncture a couple of holes in here for the string that's going to hold it onto our heads. Again, I don't want to damage my tablecloth, so we'll do this. So I've put just a small hole right there, but I want that to be wider so that I can fit the string through it. So there we go. And I believe that should work. If not, you can always widen it by sort of rotating like that, and it just makes the hole a little bit bigger. So we put one in on the other side as well. The next thing we need is a string to put through there so that we can wear this hat. I really like the idea of reusing these masks. Once you're done with them, you can actually use the elastic from that. I just love the idea of not, being less wasteful. So if you take the string off of that, you might need to use two depending on the size of your head. And I think I'm gonna have to use two because there's no way that's gonna reach the hat. If you're having trouble getting this through the hole, you can put it just right up against the hole and then use that tool you use to make the holes in there to sort of push it through. Or really, you could use anything to push it through, just something that'll fit through there. And there we go. So now we've got that string through the hole. And then you're just going to want to do a loop knot on the outside here. And that should hold it. You might want to do a double knot. I'm going to do a double knot just to make sure it's not going to pop through that hole. And there we go. We'll do that to the other side as well. Now we can trim up so that we don't have that long part. You don't want to trim it all the way up to the knot, just in case the knot starts to loosen, but you can trim it down quite a bit. And now we have this. So what we want to do is make sure to make sure that it'll fit our heads. You can tie it on while you're wearing it so that you know it's somewhat comfortable, I guess. There we go. We have our Harry Potter birthday cake party hats. So now let's get into this unboxing. I've already opened up the box itself. I thought everything was going to be like individually packaged on the inside so I wouldn't be able to see it, but I did see some things. As you can see in the box here, you can see some of the stuff that's in there. So one thing that really jumped out at me was this wand stand. I don't have an official wand stand, so that's really cool. We're gonna take a look at that first. So here we go. Actually, let's take a look at the packaging first, I suppose. There we go. You know, it's just what you would expect from official Harry Potter merchandise. It's got the logo. This is a Gryffindor house stand. I'm not a Gryffindor, I am a Hufflepuff, but Harry Potter's a Gryffindor, and that's why this is in there. So here we go. It says it's made of die-cast metal, and it measures 8 inches in length. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look and see. Whoops. We've got this little booklet here. Just got a bunch of different stuff that they do. I want that Lord of the Rings chess set. Ooh, that's really good quality too. I kind of wish the bottom wasn't just straight like metal right there. It would have been nice to have some kind of like maybe felt or something, because if you put this on a wooden table and it slides around, you're gonna get scratches. Here is the Gryffindor house wand stand. That is actually really nice, really cool. That's amazing. Thank you very much, Noble Collection. This is really, really cool. And we'll move on to the next item, a Harry Potter, actually Hogwarts journal. It's interesting that it's purple. I like it. And this part right here is like totally metal. That's nice. Gold foiling right there. We open that up. I mean, this is really sturdy, good quality. Gold foil on the edges and the corners here and the spine. Nice end paper. And I like the look of the paper in here too. I half expected that to just be white paper, like white lined paper, but it's actually, it looks like a parchment. This is really nice. Oh, and I didn't even notice that. The edges of the text block in there are also gold. That's cool. That's foiled too. But yeah, there you go. Really, really nice. Oh, there's something in the back here too. It's another one of those booklets with their products. I've got the Monster Book of Monsters Collector's plush. But yeah, it has a pouch in the back so you could put some, I don't know, notes, paperwork, whatever you're using this book for. That's really nice. That's really good quality. The thing with Noble Collection is most of the time their stuff is just really good quality. Their wands are the best. So I'm hoping for, I'm sure there's a Harry Potter wand in this box too. So yeah, that's that one. Let's move on to the next item. So here it is. We have a Bendy-Figs Harry Potter figure, Wizarding World figure, Noble Toys. So I didn't know that they had Noble Toys, but I'm sure a lot of people do know that. I'm just not really, I don't really do a lot of toys, so yeah, I'm gonna actually keep this one though, and I am not gonna take it out of the package. I'm just gonna keep it as a little collector's item, I guess. There is that. It looks like his robe is actually cloth. I would open it, guys, but I just kind of want to keep it nice and keep everything together. Yeah, so cool. It looks like they also have Dobby, Dumbledore, Hermione, and Harry. This is series 1, but hey, where's Ron? Why isn't Ron here? You would think it would be Harry, Hermione, Ron, and then maybe Dumbledore. I'm not sure what's going on here, but that Dobby one looks really cool though. I honestly, I would probably display the Dobby one here. That's really cool. Okay, so there we go. We have a Harry Potter figure. As expected, I mean, I don't know what's in here, but that's a wand. That's got to be a wand. What else would they put? Watching it's going to be like a quill. No, it's a wand. Yeah. And here we go. That's a cool replica. This actually has the like wand labels in it, just like in the movie. That's cool. There we go. I wonder if that is the one that was on Harry Potter's wand. I'll have to double check because, you know, I didn't memorize every single label I saw, but that's really cool. And this box is nice quality. It's almost like it's got to be like a faux leather on the outside. Opens up like this. Really good presentation. So here we go. If we let's move these things back a little bit, and if we open this up, that's so cool. It's got a little card in here that has information about this. Here we go. Nice wand box, very good. Oh, that's really soft in there too. I like the cloth interior. And then of course we have Harry Potter's wand. So this is it. Really awesome quality. I love the Noble Collection's wands. The replicas are just so good. Really lots of detail in there. And I already have Harry's wand. It is with another Noble Collection set, and it's for the Dumbledore's Army Wand set. It has like a scroll stand that hangs up on the wall, and then you have all of their wands. It's so nice. So this is the one that I just got, and right here we have, this one came with the Dumbledore's Army set. And there are some slight differences, but they're really, really close. I think the colors are almost exactly the same, especially on the handle part, but then this part here has more textures and details than this part here on the older one from the Dumbledore's Army set. But both are just really good quality. I'm not sure that I prefer one over the other. Maybe this new one, just because it has those textures and it just adds a little bit more to it. But I am so happy to get Harry's wand, and now I have two so I can dual wield my wands. This document certifies that the enclosed wand is an authentic replica from Warner Bros. Pictures' Harry Potter film series. Please enjoy this unique offering from the Noble Collection. And I do enjoy this. Thank you very much. I love this wand. You guys really make the best wands. But here we go, guys. Here's everything. And you know what? Before we go any further, I want to see what the wand looks like in the wand stand. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to like put it like this or like that. I'm guessing more like that. This looks a little bit better, I think. That is a really cool presentation for Harry Potter's wand. There is no way that this is not going to go up on my shelf. Just really cool. I love the wand and the wand stand. But there you have it, guys. That's everything in the box that the Noble Collection sent me. I am so happy, you guys. Noble Collection is awesome. You should definitely, if you're into replicas, especially wands and like movie replicas, they have so many of them. I also got the Jumanji board replica, and it's just like the movie Jumanji. I know that has nothing to do with Harry Potter, but you know what? I love Jumanji too. I grew up watching that movie, and the Noble Collection has an amazing Jumanji board. I mean, if you just look through one of these booklets, they do like so much other stuff. They have DC stuff, Game of Thrones, The Hobbit, just so many different things other than Harry Potter. Like that's such a cool wand stand. I want that thing in my life. So yeah, they have the chessboard, the Harry Potter chessboard here. So much cool stuff in there, guys. So check out the Noble Collection. If you haven't already, go to their website. I'm definitely going to get a couple of these things out of this, I think. Here's what I was talking about too, the Dumbledore's Army wand set. I have that hanging up on my wall. You can actually see it right over there next to the house elf on the shelf over there. I don't know what else to say other than happy birthday, Harry. What was your favorite moment in the Harry Potter books or movies? It doesn't matter, but a scene that involves Harry Potter specifically as a character, maybe his progression. What was one of your favorite points? I think mine was honestly when he finds out that Sirius Black is like his godfather. He finally finds out that he has at least some sort of family of his own. Someone who was very good friends with his parents. I don't know, that's just a really cool moment, I think. It sucks what happens later on, but the moment that realization comes to him is just really cool. Let me know yours. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Let's celebrate Harry Potter's birthday in a big way, and I'll see you in the next video.